Kia Optima changed the game for mid-size sedans when it first came out. We checked the 2014 model to see if it's still keeping up with the pack. From any angle, you see the 2014 Kia Optima is a stunner. New for 2014 is a sharper front nose, LED fog lights, daytime running LEDs and headlamps, and a new rear LED tail lamp. The car looks fresh, sexy, and in the right colour, very desirable. The Optima provides very stylish tyre rims that make the car appear more athletic. The Optima is sharper, more restrained, and a bit sportier, and more formal. Kia's engineers have managed to pack 180 horsepower inside the Optima's 2.4-litre four-cylinder engine. The result is a much snappier start and the ability to stay strong during the entire acceleration. The ride is very comfortable, and you feel confident about overtaking most cars on the UAE's highways. The suspension is mildly stiff, making it fun to corners, and to add to the excitement, you also get paddle shifters as well as a Tiptronic gear. So many buttons, so many choices. The Optima is a driver-focused interior that is loaded with little buttons from the steering wheel to the center console. Slightly tilted to the driver, it will make you wonder how much you paid for the car. In our model, we had leather seats, push-button start, panoramic sunroof, electric driver and passenger seats, Bluetooth, an 8-inch TFT system with sat-nav, ventilated seats, and an 8-speaker Infinity audio system, all set in orange lighting, to give it a slightly Audi-esque feel. Phew, that's a lot of bang for your buck. The Optima was always a quiet, roomy car, and now with new seats for 2014, the deal is even better. The seats up front have added cushioning for long drives, and the rear seats are comfortable for 3 adults with adequate legroom. The trim in our car was high quality without the usual cheap bits found in this class. Our car was also fitted with the usual array of airbags, but we were pleasantly surprised with the blind spot information system that most cars in this price range just don't have. In all aspects, the Optima gives more than it needs to for the price that you pay. We think it stands out as one of the few cars with very few flaws, and definitely one of the stars in the mid-size sedan category. If you're enjoying these reviews, subscribe to our channel and you'll know whenever a new video is uploaded. If you're looking for a mid-size family sedan, you might also want to check out the Nissan Altima, the Mazda 6, the Toyota Camry, the Honda Accord, the Ford Fusion, the Volkswagen Passat, the Chevrolet Malibu, and the Hyundai Sonata. Check their videos out too, before you make a decision. The Hyundai Sonata has long been a favorite in the family sedan segment. And for good reason. It's spacious, good-looking, and surprisingly affordable. The new 2014 Sonata doesn't look